How do you ask for a date? What about this?
Ann, this is Woody. Well, I have a ticket for the High Teen Carnival Saturday, and, well, would you like to go?
Why, yes, Woody. I'll have to talk to my folks about it, but I think I can go. That'll be fun.
Yeah. Well, shall I pick you up about 8 o'clock?
That's fine, Woody. 8 o'clock Saturday. I think it'll be all right, but I'll let you know for sure. Bye. A date with Woody. Saturday.
Doesn't Woody remind you of Greg Brady? Anyway, I hope him and Ann have a great time Saturday night. Hopefully Ann's parents will be forthcoming and let her stay out past 10 p.m. Anyway, what follows here is a short snippet of some things we put together. Our truck had a boo-boo and had been neglected for many months, longer than it should have. Anyway, thought we put together some things to let you know we're still around, and holy cow, hopefully this detonation doesn't foreshadow Woody's date, but in the end, who cares? Anyway, thank you everyone for subscribing, and certainly for all of you who take the time to watch the videos. We certainly appreciate it. Just a side note, if you buy property in Barbados, just make sure all the T's and I's are correctly dotted and crossed, because it took a long time for various government agencies to be satisfied, and thank God they're off our backs now. But anyway, long story short, hopefully you'll enjoy what follows, and hopefully we'll be putting out some other content shortly. So happy Easter everybody, and thank you for watching. Alright everyone, I thought I would give a little impromptu unboxing of the bearings and seals that came from a company called TorqueKing 4x4, and to illuminate the ambiance and to accentuate the party-like atmosphere. Through the magic of modern technology, you will see what we see right to begin with as we unbox this. It's new seals and gaskets and bearings for a Dana 70 axle. Looks like we've got a TorqueKing bumper sticker. That's nice quality actually. The TorqueKing business card, that's always nice. And I'll have to say that the gentleman I spoke to was very knowledgeable and very personable too. So let's see what's in this magic bag here. Oh, God, I wish I could speak. The axle nut socket. That's what. Well, that's nice that they packed it in a separate little bag. Got the thread locker, the new axle nuts, the flange gaskets, and they even included. I'm sorry. Okay, they even included little things of thread locker for this. Wow, that's pretty neat. And then the bearing installation and removal tool. Wow. That is actually pretty neat. I was expecting this stuff to be sort of loose and just willy-nilly, but this actually, wow, this looks like something that would jewelry would be taken into. Let's move this out of the way. Move that box. Okay. You're getting to see this. Oh, wow. The seals and the inner and outer bearings. Wow. I will have to say I'm very glad that I happened upon that website. And it just now dawned on me, or showed me, they actually got new pins to hold lock pins too. Wow. So hopefully this this does some justice. I don't think I'm very proficient at doing these unboxing videos. I thought I'd do a little update here of what we've been dealing with, and this is completely more than I thought it would be, and far more than I should have ever allowed it to get. But basically the hub seal has been leaking, and this is the result. So ordered some new bearings and seals, and no, I'm not gonna reuse the brake shoes or the brake drum, but from procrastination, I can tell you from experience, don't wait like we did. Well, we didn't, I did. It is unique. So as we get more into this, I will let you know, and hopefully things will be okay. This is the inside of the drum. I don't have to say that I think this should be an unbelievable, well, in many respects, but I think it should be a testament to just how much quality goes into a Raybestos shoe and brake drum, because I actually wiped oil off of this thing. These wheels would still stop. How? I don't know, but they did. Surprising, especially after looking at the brake shoes there. Real quick, I wanted to tell everybody thank you for taking the time not only to watch this video, but to watch the others, and certainly we appreciate those who have subscribed, and we hope more do in the future. Things turned out well. I certainly need to work on the proficiency of documenting as things go along, but things were not nearly as tough as that steak was. And these folks, well, they have found the Marion Mitchell YouTube channel. For those of you who have passed the word and spread the good nature around, I thank you greatly. But work is still yet to be done. Just like sanding this block of wood, each grit getting finer, the surface becoming smoother, the word still needs to be pressed out into the world so others can enjoy the fabulous offerings like this woman has. She could care less if that class fails or excels in their test. She's found Marion Mitchell, and for those of you who have found him, I certainly appreciate it. But spread the word to others, and as always, thank you for watching.
The quirky little rituals include boys sprinkling girls that they fancy with water, and the girls striking back with a tap from a pussy willow branch.